River Valley the most are burning to our north in Canada.
Valley News Team's Nishay Taylor has more on how the smoke is affecting our air quality and how it could impact your health.
Burning wildfires in Canada are causing lingering smoke to travel across the U.S. The smoke has now made its way down into the surface of parts of Minnesota and North Dakota.
Sometimes it stays aloft, the smoke stays aloft, but in this particular case, behind the front, the smoke has found its way closer to the surface, and that's why we're able to smell it, and it's actually, affecting the air quality.
The Minnesota Pollution Control Agency issued an air quality alert for much of the state, including Moorhead, Bemidji, Roseau, and East Grand Forks, out of concern for public health. Health officials say those with asthma, COPD, or other respiratory illnesses should be on high alert.
It's an airway irritant. There's little particles in that smoke that would get into their airways and irritate them. Anybody who really gets short of breath should be aware of the conditions outside before they go outside, monitor how they're feeling. And if they develop symptoms of shortness of breath or, sore throat, kind of getting harder to breathe a little bit, think about getting inside and getting into some cleaner air.
Jones, a meteorologist from the National Weather Service, explains pollution in the air is typically gauged by the United States Air Quality Index.
0 to 50 being like, okay, there's not a whole lot of particles within that box within the air. Moderate being between 51 and 100, and then unhealthy for sensitive groups, what we're in right now, is between 101 to 150.
Jones also says as the wildfires continue, the smoke could lead to air quality levels increasing as early as tomorrow. If the index reaches between 151 and 200, it could mean an impact on the health of the general public. Dr. Laurie says even those without a respiratory illness, the change in air quality could have impacts on them also.
If you're exposed to any irritant for any length of time, and it could be a short time for some people or a longer time for other people, you can develop those symptoms as well.
And as the number of wildfires spark up across the country and internationally, experts believe the lingering smoke could stick around.
We might be dealing with this for almost the duration of the summer. We need like a really good rain event to help put out these fires.
In Fargo, Nishay Taylor, Valley News Live.
MPCA's air quality alert is expected to last through Friday. We're going to head over to Hutch.